because of corona we are staying at home. You all know that coronavirus is increasing day by day. Okay, because of that we are staying at home and maintaining our body and we are being healthy. Yes, now children, today we are starting our portions, offline classes as well as online classes. So in our offline classes, teachers just teach the chapters and make you to understand. Yes, and we'll give the homework also, worksheets also, and everything we'll do like previous year. Okay, now in your EVS subject, we have all the chapters like previous years. Last year also we studied about our body, about environment, about nature, and about what? Living things and non-living things. This year also we have that chapter only, living things and non-living things. Your first chapter is that only, living and non-living things. In our earth we have so many things which we see they are living, and which some are there which can't breathe also. Yes, for example like a chair, desk, that all are they can't breathe only. They are all noted in a chair, a desk, breathe. Never. Only we see human beings and animals, they only breathe. Which all things breathe, which all things move from one place to another place, which all things move from one place to another place, and which all things reproduce, that are called as a living things. That all are called as a living things. And now non-living things means chair, desk, and what all things? Cupboard, books, pens. These all things are non-living things. One more name for these two are natural things and human-made things. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೆಸರು ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಏನಂತಾರೆ ನಾವು what living things means natural things and non-living means human-made things. Like we did, we prepared. Non-living means we prepared. Like chairs, desk, books, pens. That all are non-living things. They can't breathe. That all called as a non-living things. Living things means naturally produced. Naturally they got birth. Naturally they are living. Naturally they are reproducing. Naturally they are moving from one place to another place. Naturally they are growing. ಹೌದಾ? ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಬೆಳಿತೀವಿ, ಸಣ್ಣವರಿದ್ದಾಗ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ, ದೊಡ್ಡವರಾಕೋತಾ we grow na. Like that they are naturally produced. Naturally what? Produced. Okay, we'll start our chapter. In your chapter, first they ask one general question. Okay, open your book. You see first they given a let us begin. In that they ask one question. Look at the picture. Here can you see the two pictures here? Can you see the two pictures? Here we have two ducks here. One is like baby, like a doll. It is a doll, and one duck is human. Like it is breathing, growing, and moving from one place to another place. Can you guess the difference between these two? ಇದೇನಾಕೈತಿ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬೆಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲಿರ್ತೈತಿ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ನಾವು ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಅಷ್ಟ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಟ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹೋಗ್ತೈತಿ. But this, they can move, they can reproduce, they can grow, they can breathe. So can you see the difference between these two ducks? Like for example, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯೊಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ಡಾಲ್ ಅದ. Okay, baby doll ಅದ. ಬೇಬಿ ಡಾಲ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ, ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡ್ತೀವಿ, ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಲೈಕ್ ನಾವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಆಟ ಆಡಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತೈತಿ. ಆದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಹಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರು ಆಟ ಆಡಿಸ್ದಂಗೆ ನೀವು ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತೀರನ? ನೋ, ವಿ ಡೂ ಹೌ ವಿ ವಾಂಟ್. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬೇಕು ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನ ನಡೆಸ್ತೀವಿ. Like that only, living and non-living difference is that only. Living means how we want we can live. But non-living things, how we want na, like that much only they will work. Like cars. ನಾವು ಓಡಿಸಿದಾಗ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಓಡ್ತೈತೆ ಕಾರ್. ನಾವು ಓಡಿಸ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾರ್ ಓಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, understood? The difference between these two. They ask that question only. Can you guess the difference between these two? You understood how to differentiate the things, non-living and living things? Okay? Like this only, make us some examples on that. Use your home materials only and check whether they are living and which all things are non-living. Okay? Make a list of it. Use your home materials only. Make a list of it and identify the difference between them. Okay? Identify the difference between that two. Okay. Now we'll start our chapter. Okay? In this chapter, what they given, they are telling that in this chapter we see natural things and a human made, like living and non living things. How they grow, how they reproduce, and what is the living and what is a non-living things. Okay, what is a living and what is a non-living things. First, what they given, we'll start our chapter. You must have seen the things shown below. Okay, in your chapter they given some of the pictures here. They given some of the picture here and some of the pictures. They did the partition. Okay, you can identify which is human made and which is natural. Okay, here they given some pictures. Okay, dog we have, and tree we have, bird, human being and fish. ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಯಾವ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲಿ ಬರ್ತ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, ಡಾಗ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲಿ ಬರ್ತ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು. They can move from one place to another place. They can reproduce. They can grow. Okay, like that only tree also. Tree also can live. Tree also can breathe. Tree also grow from plant to tree. Seeds to plant, plant to tree. They grow day by day. They grow and they can reproduce also using seeds. Seeds one place in from other place bidre enaketi again it grow the plant tree. Okay, that is a reproduction of tree. And next, birds also reproduce. They give up eggs. They can fly from one place to another place. And next one, human beings, you all know that because we are the human beings. What all things we do now, you all know that. So you can think that. And next, fish. They are in water. They can breathe. They can move. Yes, they can eat. They can reproduce. Okay, these all things are natural living things. These all are living things. Now move on to the non-living things like human made things. House we have, cars we have, tables we have, and this is a chair and computer. ಇವನ್ ಯಾವರ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ಯಾವ ನೋಡಿರಿ, ಯಾರ್ದಾರ ಮನಿ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಗ್ರೋ ಆಗೈತಿ, ಯಾರ್ದಾರ ಮನಿ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೈತಿ, ಯಾರ್ಯಾರ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲಿ ಕಾರ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕೈತಿ? ನೆವರ್. ದೇ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ವಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾರ ನಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೋಗೋತ ಕಾರ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾವ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಇದು ನಗಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ಇಲ್ಲ. ದೇ ಕಾಂಟ್ ವಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಅಮೇಜಿಂಗ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಟ್ರೀ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಟ್ರೀ ಇದನ್ನ ಹೌಸ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಾರ್ಸ್ನು, ಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ನು, ಚೇರ್ಸ್, ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ಸ್. ವಿತೌಟ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಕಾಂಟ್ come to the nature and we can't work with that. Yes, understood the difference between the natural and human being? Same, living and non-living things. Okay, living and non-living things. In your house, what you have to do, you have to make a list of living and non-living things. Make a list. Use your home materials only. Which all things are human made, write one side. Which all things are naturally made, write one side. Okay, like naturally made means birds, insect, we, and any other creatures, any other natural creatures. Please make a list of that too and write it in your book. Tomorrow we'll discuss that. Okay, next we have this only what they are given. Next we'll go on to the next thing, that how human beings reproduce, grow, how they move from one place to another place, and how they are work. That all things we see in next paras. Okay children, what you have to do in your house, you have to make a 2 groups, 2 charts. In that please write a living thing and non-living thing, list of that, and we'll discuss about that tomorrow. Okay, please do that one. Bye children.